The maintenance required light on your 2010 to 2019 Lexus GX460 alerts you when it's time for an oil change or other maintenance. This system is integrated into the Engine Control Unit, or ECU, which estimates oil degradation based on mileage, engine hours, temperature, and driving style, rather than directly measuring oil quality. The light typically illuminates every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Resetting this light doesn't change your oil life, but rather resets the reminder. Ensure you perform the actual oil change before resetting the light to prevent potential engine damage. Neglecting required maintenance can void warranties or increase engine wear. The system estimates oil life lasting 10,000 to 15,000 miles under normal conditions. Always reset the light after confirming you've completed the required service. Park the vehicle, turn off the engine, and insert the key into the ignition or place it in accessory mode. Turn the ignition to the on position with the engine not running. Press the Dis-P button on the steering wheel until you see Main E or a similar message like Oil Maintenance. Press and hold the trip meter reset button on the instrument cluster for 5 to 10 seconds. The display should show a reset option. Confirm by selecting Yes or following the on-screen prompts. Turn the ignition off, then back on. The maintenance required light should be off. Drive a short distance to confirm the reset was successful. For 2015-2019 models with touchscreen integration, you may need to navigate the Vehicle Settings menu to find the reset option. If the reset fails, especially on high-mileage vehicles, a professional scan tool might be needed.